Coming up in today's video. Welcome to episode 1 of my Cozy Fall Crockpot series. Today I'll be making a yummy caramel apple dump cake using only 4 ingredients: apple pie filling, caramel sauce or drizzle, 1 box of yellow cake mix, and 1 stick of butter. Before I get started with the crock pot, I'm going to add my apple pie filling to a bowl, and I'm going to add some cinnamon. This step is completely optional. However, cinnamon is one of my favorite fall spices, and I am excited for fall. Plus, I love the way my home smells when I'm baking anything with cinnamon in it. I'm just mixing everything together really well, making sure all of the apples are completely covered in cinnamon. Once the apple pie filling is ready, it will be the first thing to go in the crock pot. Due to its high sugar content, apple pie filling always needs to be placed on the bottom underneath the cake mix to prevent any scorching. I'm making sure that the filling is evenly spread across the bottom because the steam from the filling will rise and essentially bake the cake from the bottom. Next, I'm pouring in the cake mix, being extra careful to make sure that all of the pie filling is completely covered. The next step is to place my butter in a bowl, and I'm going to melt that in the microwave. I'm going to take that butter and pour it right on top of the cake mix, trying to get as much coverage as I possibly can. And it's okay if some of the cake mix does not have butter on it. The butter will spread during the cooking process. Now I'm going to cover it, and I'm going to set my crock pot on low for 4 hours. However, this can also be cooked on high for 2 to 2.5 hours. After 4 hours, I'm going to come back and check on my dump cake. And as you can see, the crust is a beautiful golden brown, and the cake has cooked thoroughly. Should always give it a little bit of time to cool. However, my kids were very impatient to have some of this dessert. As you'll see in the next shot, we had ours with ice cream, and the ice cream starts to melt almost as soon as I put it on the dump cake. But thank you all so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video in this series. Please subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. As always, happy cooking.